Where are we going, Saigon? I'm gonna come with you. You just panic and breathe like that. This shotgun makes fucking massive holes in the wall. Look at that!
There's one construction, it's a shield dude.
Yeah, I thought it was one.
Don't know who it is though. He's down. Get him.
There's someone's with him. Someone's with him. Oh fuck yeah, there's a guy right there meeting. Fuck, I'm sorry.
One in garage.
Ah fuck! I got
He
naded.
goes.
Well played.
Twitch was in construction.
Well played.
My alarm's going off and this is feeling pretty clutch.
Can't get through there.
I'll get through there.
Can't get through there. Oh, nice, Jill. Last one's the same place.
Claymore, Claymore.
I think maybe I downed him. Yeah, he did. Sweet. Disable it quick.
Well,
there's a
mate.
guy on scene.
Nice.
Woo!
Woo! You sound like a cow.
Whoa, is that his alarm going off?
Yeah.
Yeah, master bed. She's near the window, near the bed, near the mattress. Can't tag her. Fuck.
Oh, she just jumped
She's
out.
out.
The fuck?
Oh!
She dead?
Oh, she's coming up white. No, that was Jaeger.
Still on me.
Where's this? Got it, got it.
Oh no!
What happened? What, did you shoot him?
What is it? What is happening?
Yep.
I don't know, I
he ran
killed
in
two of
front
them up here. I don't know what else is happening.
I'm in. I'm down here, boys.
Fallen. Oh, I just looked at mirror. Oh, I've injured her. Here we go. Woo! Oh, someone's welcome matted. I
Bubs.
want the kill. I want the kill. I want the kill.
Got a cap can.
There's one on big tower though. Like
Diffuser's here. Diffuser's in armory. Just fucking get a lock-in going on. This is a bad idea.
oh god, this could be good and
This is
badly.
a terrible idea.
Yeah, there's one
This is
still
fucking
here.
horrendous.
Double window.
Blow my load on Hibana's face. And we
Mine?
can leave. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Steal that then.
Amazing. Why the fuck is he there? Why
I
is
don't
he-
know.
What?
Oh god, I came upstairs and my alarm's going off. There's no fucking reason for him. Oh, I'm so pissed.
There's two in meeting.
Oh yeah, they killed me. Fuck's sake! I just opened up the wall and they killed me instantly. Fuck.
Whereabouts in meeting, Billy? Do we know?
I'm not sure, I'm fucking stuck in this
Gosh,
little
you
lobby
got so
thing
lucky.
now.
The Cavs laid down
Right
under the
next to
ladder.
me, behind me.
Cavs laid down under the ladder in meeting. Ella's in there as well though. Yeah, they're both to your right a bit. I was one. Jill, you just see one in the corridor. You can see a gun to the right. Oh, it's Billy. Sorry, it's Billy.
Oh.
Sorry.
I can't
Yeah,
see
I was gonna
shit.
say.
Three of you in meeting
I'm
now.
sure one's at.
Oh, Cavs on Jill. Nice, Jill. Hip fire.
There's that-
Disrespect. Oh, in meeting.
Oh,
Meeting.
fucking Ella with
Left bit.
197
Nice,
million
Jill.
bullets in one gun.
Alright, you
Don't
got
flip.
you got a bit of time. Well, loads. Just throwing it quick. Oh, rip. Oh no!
Oh, I went to fucking prone.
Oh fuck! That was the dumbest thing I've ever done.
Dicks on.
If I was at garage. I heard her break the window and then I just stood in front of it holding a smoke grenade.
Kitchen door.
Chill, what were you looking at there?
Where was I?
Yeah, what were you
I got
doing
really-
there, Jill?
I need
Yeah,
to
what-
see this. One sec. Oh, Echo.
Oh!
Oh, Echo killed me. I was gonna say,
That
Matey
Ash
Boy
is
couldn't see me.
horrendous.
Echo got me.
How bad was that Ash? Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
what the
the-
fuck?
I mean, what were you doing though, Joe?
Yeah,
You
I
just
thought I'd
walked
go
back
back to
towards- against the wall. It was
Looking
really
at the
weird.
wall.
Yeah. Really odd.
Yeah, I was just listening. I was just listening as I was moving. I wasn't really after looking at anything because I had no health, but he shot me.
You can. Oh, I got what? Oh, that guy just got so lucky they didn't get a headshot there. No, I got him, guy! Not
Why
like
is he
this!
pushing it?
I don't know. Yeah, why are you pushing it? Literally all you've got to do now is stay alive for 10 seconds. He's gonna wonk it. No, no, push it!
Oh,
What's
he's gonna
wrong
fucking
with
die.
people?
What a
Oh
dickhead!
my god.
Outside! She couldn't have possibly won there.
Second. Oh my god, just wild. Wild. Absolute, look, don't even... Fucking...
I swear,
Teabagging
so many
shit.
people don't understand the point of the game. Oh, Mateboy sees him. Mateboy gets him. Last one's in gold. Last one's gold.
Flashbang.
15 seconds remaining.
Plant if you can.
Plant.
Trying.
This one's oh shit, he's in the hallway. Nice.
Nice.
Where's diffuser?
Last one's
Surely I
Geisha.
haven't got it.
Just cover Geisha Chill if you can.
I've got diffuser over here, I think.
Well, you're not sure, you just said where is it? No, you haven't. Just go help Zygon, because if they kill Zygon...
Huh. Weird.
He's still Geisha.
You mean you're on your own, just dicking about.
Friendly, last operator standing.
Oh.
Oh. Jill gets there and dies straight away.
He's
Geisha's door.
nearly dead though, if that's any consolation.
To go.
We've got a cam in both bomb sites, so you could just leg
Gonna
it.
jump in B window, I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
yes,
going
yeah,
B
B
window.
window.
Wait for
Just
the
stay
plan,
alive,
wait
stay
for the
alive, stay
plan.
alive, stay alive! Oh, why?
Oh my god.
Why are you rushing in? You had 2 seconds.
Got it.
Fuck
Got it.
hell. That was completely unnecessary.
Stay alive, stay alive. Yep, okay. Yep.
Runs in. You literally had 2 seconds to survive and just wait to see if he planted.
I know, but I always win them.
No. No.
So it's...
Zygon's Kavira, what's going on?
I don't know, mate.
What? Thanks!
Oops,
Oh,
sorry.
I hope he
Fucking,
get- I hope he gets an Intero.
You almost dead. Oh,
fucking just took 90% of my health off.
I
You
was probably just
dumb cunt.
went to spaff around you, but...
Intera?
Fuck's sake.
It doesn't work. I'll
I'm
go
gonna
to dragon.
I'll go dragon. Oh, okay. We both go dragon.
Alright, you know what?
Naded me. Ah, naded his mate. What a shit cunt. There's one just repelled. He's repelled
What? I
there.
just shot one of them so much.
Diffusing.
Okay. Oh, I'm dead.
Think I've got it?
You've disabled the
Yeah.
Yes!
Nice Jill.
Go on, Jill.
The long hair.
I'm getting spotted
Getting
non-stop.
spotted as well, yeah. Fucked Valkyrie. Can't get in.
Tagging me like fuck, I don't get it. Why is not... I'm coming.
Oh, I got him!
Yeah.
I thought he was at the back. I shot and he walked in front of my bullets. That was a fluky ass kill. I was like, where is he?
Ah,
Yeah, just happened to walk in front of it.
like your little blue outfit.
I got a blue outfit. Oh, you've got one leg up on
Yeah.
the wall there. You look cool as fuck. Do it again.
Oh yeah, I do.
Go, no, you haven't now. You haven't. Do it. Go backwards a bit. Wait, I think someone's coming. Yeah, carry on. Oh yeah, no, your leg just clipped through the wall actually. Ah, I shot him. It was Habana, half health.
Oh, best stop texting.
2 of them on that. That's weird that they know you're there. They don't, they don't.
One. Oh no.
Where's, did one go past already?
Yeah.
No, just... Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Ah! Did you not even kill her? I didn't. Fuck. Yeah, rip you. Oh!
Oh no.
Yes, you got it. That was
Oh, he's
fucking-
nearly dead as well.
I was so confused where they all were. This is where the shotgun is not so good at this point. Oh,
Rip.
yes, Jill. Know where that is exactly. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Bandit
Mate.
was on the site.
Am I gonna ace it?
And mate was about to steal your ace, I think.
Oh no, they already got a kill, didn't they?
No.
Oh,
Got him.
yes!
Did you ace
Okay.
it? No, you didn't.
Mate. Nah. Not this time.
Yeah, you got a lot of them through the fucking
Look at it.
windows.
Oh, there's
didn't
the
you?
door. There's the door.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, all four like that.
Nice, Jill.